So if you guys want to think ahead, why do we need this? Why do we need to have a sigmoid function? Why can't everything be a step function? Right? You're telling me the differences, but why? Like, give me the practical side of it. Excuse me. Anna says the step function forces values to 0 or 1. A sigmoid will give values between 0 and 1. Okay, yeah, but why? Why would you need this? Lawman says, agree with Denelson, agree with Yassine. Cool. Yeah, if you guys just want to participate in a small way, you can just say who you agree with. That's totally cool. Thanks, guys. Wael says, I think the difference is the transition is smooth transition and it is more natural than a sharp one. Yeah, but why? Why? Diffio says you can create the step function using a Fourier series, but you need an infinite number of them. Okay, cool. Yassine says for like a 10 years old answer, the first one gives straight answers. The second one gives how sure we are of our decisions or how much we learn towards an answer. The second gives how sure we are of our decisions. Okay. Yassine, there couldn't, some people would argue that there's a name for that. Just go one step further, Yassine. You're so close. Give me one step further. Osama says a step function, it gives you a discrete output. Yeah, right. We're gonna come back to that, but yes, Yassine, you're on the right track there. Denelson says, amazing answer, Yassine. I agree. Yeah, so Denelson, so think about that too, though, right? How sure we are of our decisions. Yassine said that in his answer, right? There's a name for that. There's a name for that, guys.